Hi, I'm Copeland with CAL News. Today we'll be covering rovers. Rovers that land on Mars are really cool because of the way they get power, what they do on Mars, and the ways they land on Mars. The two rovers I will focus on today are Spirit and Opportunity. The first one is Spirit. Spirit landed on Mars January 4th, 2004. It launched on June 10th, 2003. It gets its power from Multi-Mission Radioscope Thermoelectric Generator, or MMRTG for short. The MMRTG converts heat from the natural decay of radioactive plutonium into an electricity that charges the rover's two radioactive batteries. The plutonium comes from naturally occurring uranium ores and is put into the rover before it's launched. So, you know how I was talking about Spirit? This is a video of Spirit landing on Mars. Of course, it's not an actual video because who would put the cameras there? Even if they had a camera on the thing that lowered it down, it wouldn't be up close. So this is an animation, but it still looks pretty realistic and it's pretty cool. So let's roll it. Here we see the rocket coming through space after launch. The jets are correcting the direction. The rover transportation unit detaches from the rocket and begins its 8.5-month journey to the Red Planet. The rover transportation unit breaks through Mars's atmosphere. The jets correct the direction to keep the heat shield facing down so it doesn't burn up. The parachute comes out to slow it down. The heat shield comes off to reveal the rover. The hover unit that is carrying the rover uses jets to stabilize in the air before lowering the rover onto Mars. This is actual footage from Spirit's camera. Spirit is lowered onto Mars. The hover unit detaches and flies away, leaving Spirit on Mars. And now, a word from our sponsor! Are you a science teacher who likes to wear camo once a year? Do you even put makeup all over your head and face? Do you even get it in your ears and it takes a few weeks to get out? If so, then you need a roll of toilet paper and nail polish remover. Soggy toilet paper and nail polish remover mixed together in a glass jar. Splatter it all over your face and see the difference. Side effects may include irritation of the eyes, loss of hearing, skin irritation, and toilet paper clogged in your ears. So buy one today, starting at $39.99. Operators are standing by. 3 weeks after Spirit landed on Mars, its sister rover, Opportunity, landed on the other side of the red planet. Their missions were to find out what happened in Mars's past, but in 2009, Spirit got stuck and was no longer able to function. The quest to learn more about the red planet continues with the InSight probe successfully landing on Mars in November of 2018. Its mission is to find out what's inside of the red planet. This has been a presentation of CAL News. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you next time.